Here's a problem I had, a water leak, and I'm going to make a series of videos. It might be a little jiggly here and there, not out of focus, but I'm going to go ahead and show most of what I can. I had a water leak on the floor and pulled the refrigerator out and trying to assess the situation right now. And you can see where the texture or the paint is, the water got behind it and created a little bubble there. And not uncommon with a situation like this. You would think that the texture and the paint would stick to the drywall, but when it gets wet, it comes right off. And at the same time, when it dries, it goes right back. You can see the little wrinkles there. The water came down there. I would imagine this leak was about one day, maybe about 18 hours. Found it in the morning and pulled the refrigerator out. I actually thought it was a leak in the back of the refrigerator, just in the refrigerator line, and pulled it out, did some experiments, and found out it wasn't. So here you can see where I knocked a hole in the ceiling. You can see where the drywall's wet, and this just peeled right off. And you can see where the texture is stuck to the back of the paint there. Drywall's wet, we can see it. There's the plaster. You can just see how easy the paint is peeling off of the wall there. And I'd imagine I could have peeled a lot more off if I wanted to. And there's the line right there where we can see where it's wet and dry. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the demo. And started small. You know, knock a hole, don't get violent here, just tap it. You want to just get enough drywall removed so you can see what's underneath the drywall or what's behind the drywall. And again, I see a lot of people make a mistake here. They get a saw and they go in there and just start cutting, and that's not a good idea. So here I'm going to go ahead and take the insulation out and reuse the insulation, just let it dry. But once I take the insulation out, I can get in there and see what's going on with my camera, or with, you can see how wet the insulation is there. But I got a good enough hole, I can poke my head in there and see what's going on. So that's it for this video. And I will put a link here to the next one, which is going to be showing you where the damage was, where it was coming from, and of course how it was fixed.